Watch this video and learn how to draw a snowy snowman.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello! Welcome to Artie's show!
Well, hello. What a nice welcome.
Yeah.
Would you like to do some drawing today?
Yeah, please!
Okay.
Greetings, little artist!
What's up, little artists?
Yeah! Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's begin our drawing. Let's start by drawing a little circle towards the top of the page on the left side. Make sure you fill it in completely black. Let's draw another circle besides the first one. Try and make it about the same size and also fill it in so it's completely black. Should we give our snowman a nose?
Okay.
Let's draw him a carrot for a nose. Draw a line with a hook on the end and then connect the two sides together and we have a carrot shape. Draw some curved lines inside the carrot. There you go.
Betty, do you think Artie's gonna create another masterpiece?
He always does.
Now we're going to draw 5 little black circles and try and put them in a sort of smiling shape. That's number 4. One more, Artie. And that's number 5. Here's a message from our friend Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now we're going to draw a big circle around the eyes, nose and mouth. This is going to be the snowman's head. Sometimes it's difficult to draw a circle in one go, so you can do it in sections, just like Artie is here.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Now, before we complete the circle, we're going to draw the snowman's hat. Let's draw a squashed oval shape first. Now draw 2 little lines going up to each side of the oval. Right side, left side. And then let's connect the bottom of those 2 lines with a little curve. That's it, Artie. Now let's connect the 2 ends of the circle with another curve. That's right, Artie, from there across. And then a little hook on either end. Now we have a hat. Let's draw our snowman's body. What should it look like, Artie? Have you decided? Oh, that's good. Let's start with the shoulders. A little curve on the left and a little curve on the right. And then connect the 2 with a big curve.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Now draw a straight line down, a little curve and a straight line up. This is going to be the snowman's scarf. Repeat the shape on the left. Now let's do some stripes on the scarf. This is very easy, just little curved lines all the way across. It's already looking excellent, Artie. What a great job. You want to have a joke break? Okay, we can have a joke break.
What do you call a snowman in the summer? A puddle.
Poor snowman turned into a puddle in the summer. Very funny, Mikey. Let's add some stripes to the bottom part of the scarf. Oh, I know, Artie. Let's do some fringe on the bottom ends of the scarf. That's right, just lots of little lines. Now it looks like fringe. Let's draw the snowman's body. Let's do a big circle. And just like before, you don't have to do it in one go. We can do it in sections. That's the first part drawn. Now let's do the second part. That's it, Artie. And now let's close the gap and do the third part, giving us a full, big circle body. Let's put some buttons on his body.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll just draw 2 circles and fill them in black. Make them about the same size as the snowman's eyes. One on the top part of his tummy, and then one just below. On a real snowman, these would be little rocks or stones. I think it's time to give our snowman some arms. On a real snowman, these are sticks or twigs from a tree. So draw very thin, skinny, twig-like arms. That's it, Artie. Perfect.
This is fantastic. I can't believe he can do that.
Another one on the left side. Good job, Artie. Very twiggy. How about we show some snow on the ground? Just do some wiggly straight lines underneath the snowman. That's it. Perhaps another one. And now it looks like he's sat on snow. You're finished. Should we colour him in? You're all finished? What a great job, Artie. Your snowman came out so good. It looks like real snow. And I love the colours on his scarf.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Well, thank you for watching, little artists. We hope you have an Artie day. But for now, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.